Family law cases are civil, not criminal. And that means that some of those constitutional rights that you probably learned about in civics class, like the right to a speedy trial, the right to a trial by a jury of your peers, and the right to have counsel appointed for you if you can't afford it, do not apply. While there may also be criminal charges kind of running adjacent to your family law case, like there's assault and battery or some kind of domestic disturbance cases that are also pending at the same time as your divorce or your custody and visitation case, they're going to be heard separately. And your rights in each of those cases are different because a criminal case where you face potential jail time is viewed as something different than a civil case, which is basically a category of case that is anything that is not criminal. You should also remember that family law cases are governed by state law rather than federal law. So if you're going into court and you're wanting to talk about abuses of the system and how your rights have been violated, you're going to want to focus on the law that actually applies in these cases. And for the most part, we're talking about state statutes. We're talking about common law, so case law from cases decided in your state, or even better, your locality. And you're going to want to focus on those things rather than focusing on something bigger like the Constitution that may or may not apply in your case. So definitely make sure you're categorizing these things right and using the right case law when you make your case in court.